PEGI Environmental Protection. 西专宁海 Biomass gasifier with 25 steam boiler project. The construction site is Ninghai, Zhejiang Province. Heat source is biomass gasifier. The main use is for 25 steam boiler. Produce 1.25米 polysaturate steaming. The fuel used in the project is mainly wood chips. The project adopts the sets of fixed bed upright gasifiers of PEGI. As heat source equipment. Used for 125 tons gasifier steam boiler system. Daily fuel consumption is about 130 tons. Daily steam production is more than 400 tons. Daily biochar production is about 20 tons. The whole system of the project includes dual distribution beam, belt conveyor feeding system, biomass gasifier system, syngas burner system, steam boiler system, low temperature denaturation system, back filter dust removal system, circulating water system and control system. The specific process is described as follows. Dual feeding system, wood contrastion waste after crushing, transported by fuel distribution bin and bed conveyor. 2 sets of biomass gasifiers. Gasifier system. Biomass feedstock is pyrolyzed in the gasifier. Occurs redox reaction. Generate carbon monoxide, hydrogen, methane and other flammable gases. Provides heat to the steam boiler by customized biomass syngas burner and produce steam. The rest of the solid eventually becomes biochar. The bottom of the gasifier is equipped with biochar discharge system and discharge put-on tanks. Convenience for packing and transportation.